Hello, everyone, and welcome to MAHD English. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. We're very happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is something that every English learner needs to know.
That's right. We're going to talk about transportation in English.
Transportation is a part of our daily lives. Every day, we travel from one place to another.
We go to work, school, shopping centers, restaurants, airports, and many other places.
And to do that, we use different kinds of transportation.
Exactly. We use buses, trains, taxis, cars, bicycles, airplanes, and sometimes we simply walk.
The good news is that transportation vocabulary is very practical.
You'll use these words almost every day in real conversations.
Whether you're traveling abroad, studying English, or simply talking with friends, these phrases will be useful.
Today, we'll learn important vocabulary, useful expressions, and real-life examples.
We'll also practice common conversations that you may hear when traveling.
So get comfortable and let's start our journey.
David, let me ask you a simple question.
Sure.
How do you usually get to work?
I usually take the subway.
Why do you prefer the subway?
Because it's fast, convenient, and I don't have to worry about traffic.
That makes sense.
What about you, Emma?
I usually drive my car to work.
Do you enjoy driving?
Most of the time, yes. But sometimes traffic can be frustrating.
I completely agree.
Everyone listening can answer this question too.
You can say,
I take the bus.
I take the train.
I drive my car.
I ride my bike.
I walk to school.
These are some of the most common transportation sentences in English.
Let's practice them together.
I take the bus to work.
I take the train every morning.
I ride my bike to the park.
I drive my car to the supermarket.
I walk to school every day.
Excellent!
Now, let's talk about public transportation.
Public transportation includes buses, trains, subways, trams, and other services that many people use together.
Public transportation is often cheaper than driving a car.
And in many large cities, it's also faster.
For example, in cities with heavy traffic, taking the subway can save a lot of time.
When using public transportation, there are some useful questions you should know.
Like,
Which bus goes downtown?
or
Does this train stop at Central Station?
you can also ask,
What time does the next bus arrive?
or
How often does the train come?
let's imagine a simple conversation.
Good idea.
Excuse me, which bus goes to the airport?
You can take bus number 24.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Simple and useful.
Very useful.
Now, let's learn an important phrase.
Stuck in traffic.
This phrase means that traffic is moving very slowly or not moving at all.
For example,
I was late because I was stuck in traffic,
many people use this excuse every day.
especially during rush hour.
Rush hour is the time when many people are traveling to or from work.
Roads are usually crowded during rush hour.
Another useful phrase is traffic jam.
A traffic jam happens when there are too many vehicles on the road.
Let's use it in a sentence.
There was a huge traffic jam this morning.
Because of the traffic jam, I arrived late.
We've all experienced that situation.
Unfortunately, yes.
Now let's talk about something else that happens during travel.
Missing your stop.
Have you ever missed your stop, Emma?
Actually, yes.
What happened?
I was listening to music on the subway and didn't notice my station.
That happens more often than people think.
If you miss your stop, don't panic.
Simply get off at the next station and go back.
Easy solution.
Exactly.
And that's the end of part 1.
In the next section, we'll learn how to ask for directions, buy tickets, use taxis, and handle real travel situations in English.
Stay with us.
And let's continue learning together.
Now let's talk about something every traveler needs to know.
Asking for directions.
Sooner or later, everyone gets lost in a new place.
And that's why it's important to know a few simple questions.
The most common phrase is, "Excuse me."
Always start with "excuse me" when asking a stranger for help.
For example, "Excuse me, where is the nearest bus station?"
Or, "Excuse me, how do I get to the airport?"
You can also ask, "Which bus goes downtown?"
Or, "Does this train stop at Central Station?"
Let's practice a short conversation.
"Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?"
Go straight ahead and turn left at the traffic light.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Simple and useful.
Now let's talk about tickets.
When using buses, trains, or subways, you'll often need a ticket.
You can ask, "How much is a ticket?"
Or, "Where can I buy a ticket?"
Sometimes you only need to travel one way.
In that case, you buy a one-way ticket.
If you're coming back later, you can buy a round-trip ticket.
A round-trip ticket is often cheaper.
Let's practice.
Hello, I'd like a ticket to Boston, please.
One way or round trip?
Round trip, please.
That will be $20.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now let's move to taxis.
Taking a taxi is usually very simple.
When you get into the taxi, tell the driver where you want to go.
For example, "Can you take me to the airport, please?"
Or, "I'd like to go to Main Street."
The driver may ask, "Which route would you prefer?"
The fastest route is usually the best choice.
Let's listen to a short taxi conversation.
Hello, can you take me to Central Station?
Of course.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes if traffic isn't heavy.
Great, thank you.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Safety first.
Absolutely.
Now let's talk about train travel.
Many people love traveling by train because it's comfortable and relaxing.
When you're at a train station, one important word is platform.
A platform is the place where you wait for your train.
You can ask, "Which platform does the train leave from?"
Or, "What time does the train depart?"
Here's another useful phrase. I need to catch the train.
Catch means getting on before it leaves.
And if you're too late?
Then you miss the train.
Nobody likes missing a train.
Especially when the next one is an hour later.
Now let's move to airports.
Airports can seem confusing, but the vocabulary is actually quite simple.
The first step is check-in.
At check-in, you show your passport and ticket.
Then you leave your luggage.
After that, you go through security.
And finally, you wait at your boarding gate.
Boarding means getting onto the airplane.
Useful airport questions include,
Where is the check-in counter?
which gate should I go to?
What time does boarding begin?
And, is my flight on time?
Sometimes flights are delayed.
And sometimes they're canceled.
It can be frustrating, but it happens.
The important thing is to stay calm and ask airport staff for help.
Exactly.
And that's the end of part 2.
In the final section, we'll talk about road trips, GPS, useful transportation idioms, and transportation around the world. Welcome back, everyone.
So far, we've talked about public transportation, tickets, taxis, trains, and airports.
Now, let's talk about one of the most enjoyable ways to travel.
Road trips.
A road trip is a long journey by car, usually for fun.
Many people love road trips because they can travel at their own pace.
You can stop whenever you want and explore new places.
Before starting a road trip, there's one important thing you should do.
Fill up the tank.
Exactly.
Fill up the tank means putting fuel in your car. For example,
Let's fill up the tank before we leave.
or
We need more gas before continuing our trip. During a long drive, it's also important to take breaks.
you can say,
Let's take a break.
or
I'm getting tired. Let's stop for a few minutes.
sometimes you see a beautiful place while driving.
And you want to stop and enjoy the view.
In that situation, you can say,
Let's pull over.
pull over means moving your vehicle to the side of the road and stopping. For example,
Look at that amazing mountain.
let's pull over and take some photos. Here's another useful expression.
Hit the road.
This simply means
Let's start our journey.
it's a very common expression among native speakers.
For example, everyone is ready.
Great, let's hit the road. Now, let's imagine you're driving in a new city.
And suddenly you realize you're lost.
Don't worry.
It happens to everyone.
You can say,
I think we're lost.
or
I think we took the wrong turn.
a wrong turn means choosing the wrong road or direction. Fortunately, today we have GPS. GPS helps us find the correct route.
Most people use GPS on their phones.
You can also ask someone for directions.
For example,
Excuse me, how do I get to the city center?
or
Which way is the highway?
most people are happy to help if you ask politely.
Now let's learn some transportation idioms.
Idioms make your English sound more natural.
The first idiom is,
We're in the same boat.
this doesn't mean you're actually in a boat.
It means you and another person are in the same situation.
For example,
Don't worry about the exam.
we're all in the same boat.
Here's another one.
Miss the boat.
This means missing an opportunity.
For example,
I wanted to buy concert tickets.
but I missed the boat.
They were already sold out.
Very useful expression.
Now let's learn another one.
Drive someone crazy.
This doesn't mean driving a car.
It means annoying someone a lot.
For example,
This traffic is driving me crazy.
or
The noise is driving me crazy.
excellent.
Now, let's talk about transportation around the world.
Different countries use transportation in different ways.
For example, many people in New York use the subway every day.
Millions of people depend on it to get around the city.
In London, the subway is called the Tube.
It's one of the oldest subway systems in the world.
In the Netherlands, bicycles are extremely popular.
Many people ride bikes to work, school, and even shopping centers.
The country has excellent bike paths.
In some Asian countries, motorbikes are very common.
You'll often see hundreds of them on busy streets.
Transportation is an interesting part of every culture.
And learning about it can teach you a lot about a country.
Now, let's discuss safety.
Safety should always come first.
If you're in a car, wear your seatbelt.
If you're riding a bicycle, wear a helmet.
When crossing the street, look both ways.
And avoid looking at your phone while walking.
On buses and trains, keep an eye on your belongings.
Simple habits can make a big difference.
Now, let's think about learning English.
What does English learning have to do with transportation?
Actually, they have a lot in common.
Really?
Yes,
Tell us more.
learning English is like taking a journey.
Interesting.
When you travel, you start in one place and move toward a destination.
Just like learning English.
You start as a beginner.
And little by little, you become more confident.
Sometimes progress is fast,
And sometimes it's slow.
but every day you move forward.
Even mistakes are part of the journey.
Exactly.
Missing a bus isn't the end of your trip.
And making a mistake isn't the end of your English journey.
You simply keep going.
That's the key.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and never give up.
Before we finish, let's review some important phrases.
I take the bus.
I ride my bike.
I drive my car.
I walk to school.
I was stuck in traffic.
There was a traffic jam.
I missed my stop.
I need to catch the train.
My flight was delayed.
Let's hit the road.
I think we took the wrong turn.
We're in the same boat.
This traffic is driving me crazy.
Excellent work, everyone.
You've learned a lot of useful transportation vocabulary today.
Try using these phrases in your daily life,
Practice them whenever you travel.
or even when you're simply walking around your city.
The more you use English, the more natural it becomes.
Thank you for joining us today on MAHD English.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep moving forward on your English journey.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye and safe travels.